Hi, this is Bob at Maginate Marketing. We're so glad that you stopped by the No Limit Tax Refunds store to get your marketing products. We're really excited to be of service to you. Many of you that worked with us last year, you probably noticed right off the bat some huge changes that are different from last year. First of all, you've got a really nice store to work in. Ever since tax season ended, for us, tax season ended back in early part of February when all the affiliates stopped ordering, and we began working immediately on coming up with a new solution for this year. And we accomplished that with beautiful storefronts that give you the opportunity to go in and just make your purchases right online, choose what you want, and including we added a lot more product and a lot more different sizes. One of the things that we're really excited about this year that we went out and obtained was some software where you can edit your product right on the website. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. This is a tutorial to show you how to use the online design tool. Just in case you have any questions, this is a quick area to come and find out. The video, we're also going to put together a little printed version, PDF of how to do it. So basically, of course, this is the home page. You can just come over here to any of the products that would have somewhere that's got a phone number on it. And in this case, we're doing the 4x6 postcard. So when you're in here, of course, you can make your selections. You can choose your quantity. You want 1,000 of them. Dynamically changes the prices. But the key thing is here is this personalize button. You'll hit personalize, and you'll come right into the designer. Now, this is coded in HTML5. I know that probably doesn't mean a whole bunch information to a lot of people, but at the core, our company, we do website development and email marketing and graphic design and print design. I mean, this is what we do. So this is written in a code that can be opened on any device. It can be a desktop, laptop, tablet, phone. And it does work on Apple devices because it's not flash-based. So, first thing I want to draw your attention to is there's this little red dashed lines that goes around the edge of our designs. Now, you'll see that on all of the products that you see in these tools. And the reason for that is we don't want you to put your text over that, because these little thin hair lines that are in the corners, that's the trim line. That's where we will cut the document to trim it down, because these are what we call full bleed. And so anything that's over these little red lines here has a risk of accidentally getting trimmed off. So keep your text and everything that you add or even edit, if you want to make it bigger, just make sure that it's inside that red line. Don't go out there. Very bad things happen. So now, with that said, these are front and back designs. For the product that is a single side only, you won't have the ability I'm about to show you. But anyway, right here you have your pages. This is the current page you're working on. But there's like 4 or 5 designs for this particular 4x6 card. So you'll click on designs, and it opens up this column over here that shows you different designs. So there's the one we're working on. There's one called Tax Time. Get What You Deserve. Free Android tablet. And then there's this blank side for mailing purposes, like if you're going to put a stamp on it and mail it to a customer from last year. So you can use this. It's actually a really nice template for it. You put your address here and then a little personalized message, but like it says there, don't put names, just make an announcement, because you'll have 500 cards printed with Joe's name on it. So you don't want to do that. And we're going to go back over here to this one, and you just double click on them, and they will automatically populate over here. Now, next important thing, being that it's two-sided, you want to add another design in. So you left click, hold, and drag. Now you have 2 pages. So you got right up here, you'll see page 1 of 2, and you can click on the right arrow, and then it's page 2 of 2, so now you're on that second page. But you're like, oh, wait a minute, I don't like that one. So you make sure it's highlighted. You can come down here to the bottom of that column, and it says remove page. Boom, you're right back to, a single page. And then say you want, just change your mind, you want that one. Okay, there you go. So now you understand how to add pages. Now, like I said earlier, not every product has double-sided printing capability. So it may not have a way where you can drag something over, because we have a way that we can, change that in the back if we don't want, be able to add a second page. So now, to edit your little fields, text fields, you would just, and you can move these around, okay? If you want the phone number, if you wanted this up here and you wanted this down here, you could do that, okay? And, let's say you want to make that bold and center it up, make it italic, you can do that. And then you can put your address here. And you just come inside a little box and you just type in your address. And there you go. So now what I want to do is I want to kind of center that a little bit. So I just come over here and I hit center it up and give it a little italics. Boom, it's done. All done. Then, I could go over here to page 2 and, I could edit this one. And, I even want to add some text in here. Call today. I can change the color to white, and then it shows up. Let's make it bold. Make the font, much bigger. And center it up. And there you go. And you're done. I mean, you can add your own stuff, and then you just say, okay, I want to see this, how this actually looks in real time, and how, how it will look, because, the template that's here is a low resolution so that, it doesn't slow the server down. But you want to see it when it's real good and clear with both pages. You can hit the View PDF button. It will download it to your computer, and once it's downloaded and ready, there you go. You can now see it. It's watermarked, but this is in full resolution and nice crisp image, and there you go. It's a done deal. And as you can see, the text we added, it's all nice and crisp, and everything looks really, really good. And once you approve it, you just come over here, hit approve, and it processes the file and then puts it right in your shopping cart, and it's all placed in there. It's got your quantity that you wanted, 1,000 of them. and then it's got your, shipping is already tallied in, everything's already done. Let's say, oh man, you're shopping around and you realize, oh yeah, I forgot to do something. You can hit re-edit. It's going to bring you right back in, and you can, re-edit the file. So I hope that helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. That's what we're here for, and we hope we can be a help to you. And y'all have a great day. Talk to you later.